Hi there, I'm Isabella, and in this video, I'll walk you through Clockdiary's timesheet feature, built to simplify how you manage work hours. If you're tired of inaccurate timesheets, forgotten entries, and complicated approvals, Clockdiary has you covered. It helps you log hours accurately, tracks billable time, and makes submitting timesheets for approval quick and easy. Plus, you can easily fill in backdated timesheets or save your timesheet as a template to save even more time. Stick around, and I'll show you how Clockdiary's timesheet feature can help you stay organized and save time. Let's get started. To access your account, simply go to clockdiary.com and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Once you're there, just enter your email and password to log into your account. Make sure your details are correct to avoid any hiccups. Let me walk you through the dashboard and show you how everything works. Select the main work zone where you want to fill in your timesheet. In my case, I'm selecting a sample work zone. This is the Clockdiary interface under the selected work zone. Now let's click on Timesheet from the sidebar to view and manage your work hours. Great! Now that we're in the timesheet section, let's begin by selecting your name from the top. Once you click on your name, you'll see the Timesheet UI, where you can easily fill in your hours by selecting one or multiple projects. Click on the plus icon to select a project. Once you do, a list of all available projects will appear for you to choose from. Now choose the project you're working on from the list of available options. This will help ensure your timesheet is accurately filled out based on the specific tasks and projects you're dedicating time to. Since today is Thursday, I'll select Thursday as an example. After selecting the project, you'll see a row of horizontal boxes for each day of the week. Here, you can enter the time spent on the project. Now let me show you another handy feature. If you've missed filling out your timesheet for any previous days, there's an option to go back and add those entries. I'll demonstrate by filling in the timesheet for a missed day, so you can see how simple it is to catch up on any forgotten time logs. Same as previous one, we can fill this entry also. Working on more than one task today? No problem. Just click on the Add New Row button and a new line will appear. Now you can log your time for the additional work without any hassle. It's that easy. Now let's choose the project you're working on. Just click on the project drop-down and you'll see a list of available projects. Select the right one and you're good to go. The drop-down is now open, showing a list of available projects. Go ahead and click on the project you want to track time for. Once selected, you can enter the hours you spent working on it. In my case, I am selecting the Growth Glide. Now that you've selected the project, it's time to fill in today's entry. Locate today's date in the timesheet and enter the hours you worked on this project. Make sure the hours accurately reflect your time spent to keep your records precise. To fill time for a previous day, simply go to the correct date, select the project, and enter the hours worked. This ensures your records stay accurate, even if you missed an entry earlier. As I showed earlier, adding a new row is super simple. Just click on the Add New Row button and a new entry line will appear, ready for you to log time for another project. Next, click on the Select Project icon to open the drop-down. This will show you the complete list of available projects. Now that the drop-down is open, go ahead and select the project you want to log time for. Just click on the project name, and it'll be applied to this timesheet entry. In my case, I am selecting this project. Now, enter the time you spent working on this project. Make sure to log the hours and minutes accurately to keep your timesheet records precise. If you need to remove a time entry, it's super easy. Just click on this red cross next to the row and it'll be deleted instantly. This helps you keep your timesheet clean and accurate. Once you click the red cross, the pop-up will open asking for confirmation. To delete the entry, just click on Delete and it'll be removed from your timesheet. As a manager, if you want to view the timesheet of one of your team members, start by selecting their name from the list. Then, make sure to choose the correct date or time interval. This will allow you to see their recorded hours for the selected period. It's a quick and easy way to keep track of your team's work. That's it for today's walkthrough of Clockdiary's timesheet feature. I hope this helps you see how easy it is to track work hours, manage billable time, and streamline approvals. With Clockdiary, you can save time, reduce errors, and stay organized effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of Clockdiary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.